kuti hurumende nezanu-PF zvikasati chidaro ndoziva kuti vakawanda vari pano vemamwe mabato nevatungamiriri vavo haiwa varai zvenyu muteerere kutongwa kwayo. Director of Ceremonies, Family Secretary, Comrade Juabiza, the Vice President and Minister of Health and Child Care, Honorable General Retired.
So my question is, what really happened to this guy who is seen in the video? He was being whisked away by a security agent, and he was taken to the other side behind the tent. The question is, what happened to this guy after he was removed from this area? Secondly, the issue is, what was this man saying? What were his intentions? That is critical and that is important. We expected to see these stories being published to the public, such that people do not speculate, such that people do not rely on speculation, because this person was removed in full camera. We really need to understand what was the motive of this man, what was the repercussions, what happened to him afterwards. Was he released? Was he beaten? Was he arrested? We expect to see all those things coming to the public, so that people do not speculate. So the issue is, the president was offering or was issuing title deeds in Epworth, and 350 title deeds were issued. Someone might have just felt that is not enough, because a lot of people are expecting to have protection of their properties, but it can't, because of the current scenario which is happening within the nation of Zimbabwe. Kuti zviri kungoitwa ndezvokubatana kumeso, kuona pavagadzira road ndezvokubatana kumeso, kuona vaunza grade ndezvokubatana kumeso, ukaona vauya vari kungozviita because mukuru anenge achienda kunzvimbo idzodzo. These are the issues we always say to say. Handizivi kuti mukuru haana here vanhu vanomudza chokwadi, kuti mukuru hakuna zvinhu zviri kuitwa paground. Pameme akuda kuuya ndio panotanga kumanya-manya vanhu, something which is not good. So let us also remember the role and the duty of security agents is to make sure that they protect the president and to make sure that he is safe at each and every moment. So allowing this man to get closer would have jeopardized the security of the president as well. And you expect such things to happen when a security breach is done. So it is what it is, Team Zimbabwe. We just hope that this man was not beaten up, or this man is not or was not arrested on frivolous charges, because you know, munhu anogona kungoti nhasi torambonawo president padhuze, kana kuda mhoresa president. It's like kubhora, kuna rimwe zimunhu rinongobuda rotanga kumhanya rosvika chariri kuda kungonobata Messi chete, kana kubata Cristiano Ronaldo, kana kubata any other player angori mupitch. It's not an issue yekuti arida kumukwadza kana kuti chii. Those are the issues which need to be considered here, the intentions, such that this man does not get into more trouble. So this is Team Zimbabwe. Let us meet in other episodes and other broadcasts.